You're saving money, but you're not getting rich because saving protects you. But investing is what actually grows your money. Saving and investing are not the same. Most people confuse these two. Saving is putting money aside. Investing is putting money to work. Saving gives you security. Investing creates growth. If your money is just sitting in a bank account, it's slowly losing value over time because of inflation. That means even if your balance stays the same, your purchasing power is going down. That's the first mindset shift. Money isn't meant to sit. It's meant to move and grow. Control your money before you try to grow it, before you invest anything. You need control. If you don't know where your money is going, you can't manage it, let alone grow it. Start simple. Know your income. Track your fixed expenses. Cut what doesn't matter. This gives you one powerful thing: clarity. Most people say, "I can't invest," but the truth is, they just don't see the leaks. Once you control your money, you create space to invest. Build an emergency fund first. This is where most beginners mess up. They jump into investing too early. Before anything else, you need a safety net, a good rule: 3 to 6 months of basic expenses saved. Why? Because life happens. Job loss, medical bills, unexpected costs. Without this buffer, you'll be forced to pull money out of your investments at the worst time. And that kills your progress. Start small, but start now. A lot of people wait. They think, "I'll invest when I have more money." That's a mistake. Investing isn't about how much you start with. It's about how early you start. Even small amounts matter if you're consistent, because time is what creates growth. This is called compounding, and it's one of the most powerful forces in money. The earlier you start, the less you need later. Choose simple, smart investments. You don't need to overcomplicate this. You don't need to chase trends or gamble on risky ideas. Start with simple options. Index funds, ETFs, long-term stock investing, these are built for steady, long-term growth. The goal isn't to get rich fast. The goal is to build something that grows over time. Automate the process. This is where everything becomes easier. Don't rely on motivation. Build a system. Every time you get paid, a percentage automatically goes into investments. This removes decision-making. No stress. No second-guessing. Consistency beats intensity. Most people fail not because they don't know what to do, but because they don't stick to it. Automation fixes that. Play the long game. This is the hardest part, because everything around you pushes short-term thinking. Quick wins, fast money, instant results, but real wealth doesn't work like that. It takes time. Your investments will go up and down. That's normal. The mistake is reacting emotionally. The people who win are the ones who stay consistent. They don't panic. They don't quit. They stay in the game. Closing saving money is the first step, but it's not the goal. The goal is turning that money into something that grows without you. And the path is simple. Control, save, invest, repeat. Do that long enough, and your money will start working harder than you ever did.